Hi there, it's Lizzie from Old Stables Crafts. 2 videos in one day, aren't you lucky? Right, so spring summer list, carryover, non-carryover. So, all that you are going. Forever Lovely is staying, but it's a bundle. Not sure if those are staying or not. Meant to Be is staying, it's a bundle, and that's wrong. I for some reason crossed that through. I think I couldn't see it for looking. It's the dies are staying, but not as a bundle. Hey Love, Climbing Roses are going. Wonderful Romance, I think we already knew that's going. It's going. Frosted Embellishments are staying, by the way, as is the Lace Dynamic Impressions embossing folder. I think we're calling it the Lace 3D folder in the new catalogue. To Have and to Hold is going. Beauty Abounds is staying, but it's a bundle. Tea Time Treats, gone. All of it, gone. Itty Bitty Birthdays is staying, but Life is Grand and Birthday Cheer are not. Piece of Cake is staying. It is a bundle at the moment. I think you can order it. We did have a problem with stock of the punch, but I think at the moment you can order the bundle. Don't quote me on that, and it may have sold out by the time you see this. Birthday Statements is going. The all-inclusive Made to Bloom kit will go, as will Incredible Like You and the kit that goes with it. The Vibrant Vases will stay, so there's now going to be 2 stamp sets to go with the Vase Builder Punch. Bloom Like Bloom, all of that goes. Apart from, I think, Happiness Blooms Enamel Dots. Well Said is staying. It's a bundle. The Memories and More for Happiness Blooms goes. Amazing Life goes. I really like that. But the stitched rectangle framelets are staying. Flowering Desert goes. Fable Friends is staying. I have to say that sort of surprised me. His Grace. I'm not convinced that's going or staying. Can't remember. Don't quote me on that one. Go and check my online store. Good Afternoon is going. 9 Lives and Happy Tales are going, but remember, Happy Tales is a bundle. Oh, and the Cute Crew punch box is going. Butterfly Gala is going. If there are any punches in between now and when the catalogue goes live, it's a bundle. The Flax Ribbon and the Adhesive Back Sequins are staying. Humming Along is going. The new blends are staying. Beach Happy is going. All of the Needlepoint Nook is going. Florentine Filigree and Associated Dies going. Flowing Mountain going. Geared Up and the Dies, which are currently a bundle, are staying. Classic Garage Elements are staying. Best Catch, Crackle Paint and Let It Ride are staying. Best Catch bundle. Artfully Aware is staying. Dear Doily is going. In fact, it's already gone. Strong and Beautiful stays. The specialty paper goes. The Tea Together and the matching dies that were available as a level 2 item in Celebration are staying. Family and Friends is going. Perfectly Paired First Steps are going. And then we're on to the host sets anyway. Right, so I think we pretty much know what is staying from the Autumn Winter catalogue, but just in case, the punch box has gone. The Merry Christmas to All and the dies and Swirls and Curls are staying. They are no longer bundles because they carried over. The Making Christmas Bright and the punch are carrying over. The Deer is carrying over, as are the dies. The foil edged cards and envelopes are going to be in the new catalogue. The Corrugated Dynamic 3D impressions embossing foldery thing is staying, as are the blends. No. Poppy Parade Textured Weave is staying. The rhinestones were already in the annual catalogue anyway. But No, that wasn't carrying over anyway. So all of that was going. That had already gone. Winterwood has carried over, as have the dyes, but they're already not a bundle. Oh, is that where the shimmer? Yes, so the shimmer paint's somewhere else. The Sprig Punch has carried over. Now, this did carry over into spring, but I can't find it in the new catalogue, so it may well be going. It may just be that I'm blind, but I think it's going. So I've got things. First Frost and the associated dyes are staying, and the Frosted and Clear Epoxy are staying. Now, shimmer paints. The Champagne Mist and the Frost White are both staying. Country Home is staying, as is the Tin Tile. Galvanised Metal has already gone. I'm really sad about that. Oh, Linen Braid is staying. And that's gone, that's gone, that's gone. The Black Foil Sheets and the Black Glittered Organdy Ribbon are staying, as are the Baker's Boxes and the blends. Yes, so that is a real whistle stop tour. With this and the video that I did on the annual catalogue, you should now have all the information you need about what is or is not carrying over. So, thank you very much indeed, and I will see you again very soon. Bye!